Hello. Welcome to our channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm Twitter next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is trading in a tight range right now. What is the range of gold now? Okay, the range of gold is around 40400 to 4000. In short, gold is turning around 4,000. And as we all know, 4,000 is a very bad level, critical level. Whenever gold is around 4,000, we find it very difficult to trade. Okay. Positional traders, okay, they can follow a simple strategy of buying a dip. Whenever market comes down, they just buy. This is not the ideal chart for swing traders because right now there is no directional clarity on the chart of gold. And day traders also, okay, will not find very comfortable when gold is around 4,000 because we have seen earlier also gold is around 4,000. We are doomed because sometimes gold is going below 4,000, sometimes coming up above 4,000, but overall there is no such direction. And now we can see the same thing again. Anyways, we love to trade on gold, so we need to understand what is going on gold and where are the trading opportunities. So first and foremost, okay, let's talk about this level here, which is 4,000. As you can clearly see, 4,000, okay, is acting as support right now, temporary support for day traders, and market is hitting the level again and again. As market has tested 4,000 couple of times, there's a high chance that next time, okay, 4,000 is not going to for market may drop below 4,000. So we can look for the next buy around 3988 to 3982. The line that you see here is the second buying zone. So next time when gold will be hitting 4,000, okay, there's a high chance that market will cross 4,000, means there's a possibility of a liquidity grab. Yes, there's a possibility of a liquidity grab, LG. Okay, so when market will come take support, or in case you see the market, okay, has crossed 3980, there's a possibility that market will be going up. Suppose market breaks also 3980, and when it will be coming up, जब तोड़ के फिर से वापस आएगा liquidity grab करके, then we can buy, because right now the market is choppy. What? The market is choppy, or we do not have any proper direction. So we are expecting gold to take support around 398882 after some liquidity grab. After all, it's a zero sum game. Some the institutions will try to hunt down the liquidity of the retail traders. Okay. And obviously the support of 3950, 3940 is still very much valid, that we have discussed earlier also. But right now, okay, I don't think market will be going down 3940, 3950. So let's focus on this particular portion only. So chances of market taking support here is less. So we are expecting a buy around this zone now. Okay. One thing I would like to mention here is that whenever market trades in a range, the levels are not very strong. For example, if you're thinking that 398882 is a very strong support, no, you should not forget that we are analyzing the chart on 15 minutes now, because hourly chart, okay, you'll get fucked up. Okay, so 398882 is a level from the 15-minute chart, not a strong level, but still we are day traders, so okay, we are looking for some opportunities. At the top, remember, okay, we discussed about 404050. Okay, so 404050 is still very much valid. To be honest, okay, around 30 minutes ago, I already posted on the group that we have a selling opportunity here. And now I can see that opportunity is already gone because, okay, market dropped by almost 100 pips and now trying to go up. Anyways, here also we have a similar scenario. Market has tested 404050 three times already. One, two, and three. So there is a possibility that this time market will be going for some liquidity grab. So let's say market hits 4055, 4060. When market will be coming down, we can look for a sell position below below 4050 as well, because this is our resistance as of now. Later on, if you see the market is trading above 4050 for 4 hours, 5 hours, means but 5-6 घंटे के लिए 4050 के ऊपर ट्रेड कर रहे हैं, देन वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट द सेम लेवल टू वर्क एज सपोर्ट, मीन्स वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट द सेम रेजिस्टेंस टू बिकम सपोर्ट. But as of now, the resistance is still there. There's a possibility of a liquidity grab as of now. Okay. And remember, the resistance of 4070 that we discussed in our Saturday's video, it's still very much valid. But the zone has widened, sadly. And right now, all the zones are very big on gold 407080. Okay. This is also a selling opportunity. After breaking this, obviously at one point market will break this, isko market todega hi. So when market will break 4050, okay, it will head towards 7080. Observe the market around 7080. So if market reverses, I feel there we will get one reversal opportunity. We can look for 80 to 100 pips there as well. Right now, the trading opportunities on the chart of gold are not very reliable. If you can score 80 to 100 pips also, it is very good or good enough, because you need to understand that we are day traders, or as a trader, okay, we need to be flexible with the market. Sometimes a single trade can give you 200, 300 pips, okay, but if the market condition is not right, you need to trade accordingly. Okay, because survival is the most important thing here. For example, when the market is directionless and you're expecting 200, 300 pips on one side, then you are just not being flexible, and obviously you'll have to pay the price. So do not make the mistake. Let the market take a direction. Right now, we are a little bit clueless in which direction the market will go. So level to level trading is the best trading strategy as of now, because survival is more important. And right now the fundamentals are also a little bit confused, because goals there is a Middle East conflict persists. Because see, as we all know, whenever a thing goes on for quite some time, market usually digests it. The digestion system of market is very good. When the war between Russia and Ukraine broke out, market responded initially, remember? But when the war got longer, okay, gold stopped responding. Similarly, we can see that gold is okay slowly digesting the tension between USA and Iran. If it continues for let's say for 1 or 2 weeks more, then obviously at one point gold will stop responding. But as of now, okay, gold, let's see, okay, so okay, goal is confused. Okay, let's wait and watch. So that's all from us, and my friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and be careful. If anything crazy happens, I will try to update in the community and the group. Okay, so let's wait and watch. And swing traders, okay, try to look for opportunities outside gold. And day traders, sadly, the hourly chart is our best friend, but right now we can see the hourly chart is not giving us much clarity. One thing we have discussed plenty of times in our previous videos, that for gold to be bullish again, it needs to cross 4400. Remember, 4250 at first, then 4400. That thing is still very much valid, because right now we can see a little bit structural change, but that doesn't guarantee a trend reversal here. Because if we compare with the overall trend, then this is what? This is just a joke. Okay, let's wait and watch. So that's all from my side, my friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.